Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Pakistan is an appreciated partner for 70 years of the United States, and our relationship with them is strongest when Pakistan embraces democratic principles and rule of law. Sadly, Pakistan's military has undermined democracy by jailing former Prime Minister Imran Khan. There are strong disagreements with Mr. Khan, including his weak policies toward war criminal Putin and the Chinese Communist Party. But political opponents should be defeated in democratic elections and not jailed or fabricated political charges. President Donald Trump survived corrupt judicial system and has been persecuting him, and he knows the danger of persecution. Pakistan should release Imran Khan, restoring democracy. Free Imran Khan. In conclusion, God bless our troops as the global war on terrorism continues. Open borders for dictators puts all Americans at risk of more 9/11 attacks, as warned by the FBI. Trump is reinstituting existing laws to protect American families with peace through strength. Best wishes to President Salome Zurishvili of Georgia and President Vladimir Zelensky of Ukraine for defending democracy. I yield back.